If you're going to have chicken and rice for dinner, then this is the way it needs to be done. This recipe is so simple, but so tasty and also healthy. Firstly, coat your chicken breast in some flour, eggs, and then all over in some golden cornflakes, which is a method we absolutely love with a good bite, and you've probably seen us do it before. Bake that in the oven and then make your garlic honey sauce. Once the chicken's ready, heat your sauce in a pan, and then we're going to toss that chicken breast in the sauce, coat it all over, slice it up, and then serve it with some sticky jasmine rice and some asparagus. And that is it. I can't think of a tastier way to eat chicken and rice, so save this recipe for later. Honey sriracha crispy chicken bowl. Honestly, what more could you possibly want for your dinner? I don't know. It's high protein, it's delicious, it's easy to make, and delicious. Okay, I was having a bit of fun with that, but honestly, this is a really banging delicious high protein weeknight dinner. All you need to do is make up your chicken tenders, mix together that delicious, tangy and spicy honey sriracha sauce, get that onto simmer in a pan, then chuck your tenders in. I've served this with some bashed and pickled cucumbers, which I felt pretty bougie doing, to be honest, but they do go really well, as well as the radishes. Save this recipe for later. This is my delicious one-pan Cajun lime chicken. The perfect high-protein weeknight dinner. It's easy, it's fuss-free, and so delicious. This recipe is very simple. All you need to do is season, then sear your chicken thighs, chuck in and saute your vegetables, add a little bit of seasoning, some stock, cream, cherry tomatoes, and your lime. Cover that and leave it to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, and you're going to be left with some juicy, succulent chicken thighs full of flavour and Cajun seasoning, and a delicious creamy sauce to pour all over those chicken thighs, all served over basmati rice. Save this recipe for later. Delicious.
Daha önceden böyle dolma biberi acaba gördünüz mü? Öncelikle biberleri 20 dakikaya fırına gönderin. Soğanı, havucu ve mantarı birlikte 4-5 dakika yağda kızartın. Pirinci ve baharatları ilave edin ve daha 2 dakika kızartın. Suyu ekledikten sonra 15 dakika küçük ateşte pişirin. Taze otu ve domatesleri ilave edin, iyice karıştırıp ateşten alın. Biberleri fırından çıkarın ve videoda gördüğünüz gibi bir tarafını bıçakla kesin. Biberleri pirinçle doldurun. Üzerine peyniri ilave edin, fırına da 10-15 dakikaya bırakın. Dolma biberimiz hazır. Tabağa aktarıp maydanozla süsleyin. Yiyebilirsiniz. Çok lezzetli bir tabak önümüze geldi. Afiyet olsun. Beni takip edin.